Custom factory order a new vehicle today. Lock in pricing at the time of order.
Get the new Jeep Cherokee Limited with power liftgate, command view dual plane panoramic sunroof, leather trimmed bucket seats, park view rear backup camera, remote start system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power 8-way driver seat, power 4-way driver lumbar adjust, Uconnect 3C navigation with 8.4-inch display, and more. Plus, every Garden City vehicle comes with America's #1 VIP Plus program. At Garden City Jeep Chrysler Dodge Ram, we make it easy.
Make this the summer event.